You keep hearing people say blockchain this, crypto that, like it's some next level genius concept. But if I asked you right now, what is blockchain, you would probably mumble something about Bitcoin and then try to change the subject immediately. Let me fix that. Right here, right now, so you never sound like an idiot again. Blockchain is a public notebook, that's it. A digital notebook that anyone can read, but nobody can erase and nobody can fake. Every time someone writes something in it, everyone sees it. And once it's written, it stays forever. Think of it like this. Imagine every time someone makes a deal, sends money or signs a contract, they write it down on a piece of paper. That paper goes into a massive public notebook. Everyone has a copy. Nobody can change their copy unless everyone agrees it's true. That's blockchain. Now, why does that matter? Because in a world full of liars, cheaters, and governments who print money out of thin air, blockchain is the first time we've had real truth written in code. No middlemen, no banks that say, "Trust me, bro." I don't want to trust you. That's the problem. No corrupt dudes in suits printing dollars while you work your ass off. Blockchain says, here is what happened, here is when it happened, here is who did it, and it can't be undone. Period. That's what I call power, control, and freedom. So yeah, crypto is built on blockchain, NFTs, smart contracts, decentralized finances. It all starts right here. You don't need to be a coder, you don't need to be a tech nerd, but you do need to understand this. Blockchain is the foundation of the new world, and if you ignore it, you'll be just like your dad when the internet came out, clueless, late, and stuck. Learn the game, brothers. Understand the system and use it to build your freedom. Because the men who control the truth control the money, control the future, and never get left behind.